Welcome back to Onyx Mobile Detailing's exploration of the remarkable System X ceramic coatings. In this episode, we dive deep into the science and technology behind System X, tested and proven to provide unparalleled protection and durability. Discover the real quantifiable results and learn why System X is the ultimate choice for preserving your vehicle's beauty. Let's embark on this fascinating journey into the world of advanced ceramic coatings. System X ceramic coatings aren't just a shield. They're a result of cutting-edge science. Tested and proven, System X is backed by the world's leading inspection and certification entity, CS. System X has even met the stringent requirements of SMI, the world's leader in aerospace materials testing. SGS, the global benchmark for quality and integrity, has rigorously tested System X. System X ceramic coating passing SMIA aircraft coating requirements. This means you can trust System X to protect your vehicle like no other. But let's talk numbers. System X is not just talk, it's real quantifiable results. It's flexible, resisting impacts and staying intact, as proven by the mandrel bend and impact tests. And it doesn't stop there. System X's UV protection keeps your car looking brilliant while preserving its color. When we say System X is durable, we mean it. The ASTM D3359 adhesion test shows zero coating loss. It protects against oxidation and corrosion, as proven by the ASTM Bone 117 salt spray corrosion test. Extreme temperatures, not a problem for System X, ranging from 50 to 1400 degrees Fahrenheit. System X doesn't back down from chemicals either. It's been tested against alkali, acids, and salt. Sodium carbonate, sulfuric acid, sodium chloride makes System X stand strong with no visible damage. And when it comes to gloss, hardness, and impact resistance, System X aces every test. In conclusion, System X ceramic coatings aren't just coatings. They're the result of rigorous science and testing. Choose System X for unbeatable protection, durability, and preservation of your vehicle's beauty. System XS, where science meets protection. Onyx Mobile Detailing, where protection meets your vehicle.